Business owners, we're back with part 2 of creative ways to monetize your business. Today, we're going to provide you with more innovative strategies that can help you generate additional streams of income for your business. But if you have not watched part 1 of this video, the link is below in the description. Now, before we give you what you're looking for, please help our growing channel by taking a moment to thumbs up this video right now. Okay, Live One Co community, let's do this. Strategy number 6, rent or lease your assets. If you have physical assets or spaces that are not fully utilized, consider renting or leasing them to generate additional income. This could include renting out office space, equipment, vehicles, or even unused storage areas. Make sure to assess the legal and logistical requirements before entering into any rental agreements. Strategy number 7, create a white label or reseller program. If you have developed a successful product or service, consider offering a white label or reseller program. This unique tip is the same way many celebrities generate additional income outside of their celebrity path. They work with existing companies to white label, or shall we say, put their names on top of existing products to sell under their name, their brand, and likeness. After all, they already do have the mass following, putting more dollars into their bank. Now that you know this business monetization secret, leverage this strategy. Allow other businesses to sell your product under their own branding and earn a percentage of the sales they generate. This expands your market reach and leverages the sales efforts of others. Strategy number 8, host events or workshops. Organize and host in-person or virtual events, conferences, or workshops related to your industry. Offer valuable content, networking opportunities, and expert speakers. You will be able to generate revenue through ticket sales, sponsorships, or partnerships. Events can not only generate income, but also raise your brand's visibility and industry authority. Strategy number 9, develop a premium or exclusive product line. Create a premium or limited edition product line that offers unique features, higher quality, or personalized options. This appeals to customers seeking a more exclusive experience and are willing to pay a premium price. Focus on creating exceptional value and build a brand reputation for excellence. Strategy number 10, collaborate with influencers or brands. Hopefully, you're already doing this as part of your marketing strategy, but if not, partner with influencers or complementary brands to create collaborative products, services, or marketing campaigns. This allows you to tap into their audience and leverage their influence. Collaborations can expose your business to a wider customer base and drive sales through shared marketing efforts. Business owners, there it is, more creative ways to monetize your business. Leave a comment below and let the community know if you're currently using any of these strategies now and if they're working for you. We know that being a successful business owner requires hard work, dedication, and constant innovation. Be sure to check out our Business Secrets and Tips playlist for more videos to help you along your journey. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Where we live, learn, and create.